So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Mythology Free campaign, we go about looking at the steps to solve the constant notification issue on Samsung M51 running Android 10. Now, if you're watching this tutorial, you're already aware of what happens. You constantly get those bing, 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 bing things, and which is pretty irritating. And people have reported having this issue on many Samsung devices, especially. So let's look at the steps. Before we proceed, let's look at this phone, and this is obviously the Galaxy M51 running the Android 10, like I was telling. Okay, now first things first, what I will advise is that you should quickly go and turn off your Bluetooth and NFC in case it's there. So like I go to my connections, I turn my Bluetooth off, I turn my NFC off. Let's understand the conceptual part of what happens if they are turned on. So anytime you come near a Bluetooth device, so maybe you're going to a restaurant or something, and they have this payment things, and your device is establishing a remote connection. So there is a ping, ping, ping kind of thing happening. So that's why you need to remove or rather close down Bluetooth and NFC if possible, because they try to establish remote connections. Next, what you have to do is, again, let me do it. So I will go and I will go to notifications. Please understand that this is not the notifications that you see here. This is basically like notifications which you will find under accessibility. Presently it's lying there because this is the Android 10 interface. I don't know why they have made this notifications come here. It's pretty strange. So you come to the advanced settings here, you will see there's a notification reminder. Now you may have never done this. So you may start wondering, when did this notification reminder get turned on? What happens is, when you like sometimes approve those updates, these things may get turned on automatically, and so it may have happened without your knowledge. If you see what it writes here is that you will get reminder every 3 minutes and for all apps, and that's why in case your mobile is flooded with say 30-40 apps, getting notifications from all these apps, some of them running in the background, can be pretty irritating. So what you can do is you can simply turn this notification off, so you really don't receive any notifications. So this is a very important step that you need to take. I again repeat that this is very different, and you would have expected actually this to be in the notifications tab. However, this doesn't work like this. You have to scroll down until you see accessibility, and in that as well you need to go to advanced settings. Inside advanced settings you will see that there is this notification reminder which has to be turned off. So quickly I will just summarize what we did. We went to basically connections. So we went to the settings. Inside settings we went to connections. Inside connections we turned off Bluetooth, we turned off NFC. You may, in case you have NFC, you may turn this off. So please do that premierly. Once you have done that, what I wanted you all to do is go scroll down until you see accessibility. This is for Android 10. Inside this accessibility you go to advanced settings and you find something called notification reminder. Turn that off. Okay, so in case you don't have the Android 10 interface or something, you can always go ahead and search here whatever things you want, and more or less most of the times you will find it from here, whatever option you are looking for. So that was it, guys. I think doing this, your notification issue should be permanently resolved. But this was demonstrating this in Samsung M51. In case you have any doubt, any query, please do let us know and we'll be more than happy to help. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off. Thank you.